This is one of the neatest parts of the trail right here. As you can see, that's a trail that goes down between all this volcanic area. That's the trail right there. And it goes there. And right behind me is all cool volcanic area. We're going to be going down through that. Right there is the trail. It goes back in here. You believe that? So that's the neat part of the trail right there. And there's a nice huge tree.